Let's move on to the technical skills. Do a self-assessment as we go along. These are the skills that you may really not have any proficiency on at this time. Again, do not worry. We'll build up the skills in due time. With research methods, you utilize the scientific and engineering methods to discover and create new knowledge and insights. Used by data scientists, research methods are the strategies, processes, or techniques utilized in the collection of data or evidence for analysis in order to uncover new information or create better understanding of a topic. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you understand and use the 4-step research model: hypothesis, research methods, artifact, evaluation. Level 2, you develop research questions around identified issues within existing research or business process models. Level 3, you design experiments which include data collection, passive and active, for hypothesis testing and problem solving. At which level are you in right now? With data engineering principles, you use software and system engineering principles and modern computer technologies to develop data analytics applications. This is the realm of data engineers. They are the ones who will bring all the needed data from the various sources, extract, clean, aggregate, transform, and finally load them to the identified data repositories. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you have knowledge and ability to program selected SQL and NoSQL platform for data storage and access. In particular, write ETL scripts. Level 2, you design and build relational and non-relational databases, ensure effective ETL processes for large datasets. Level 3, you have advanced knowledge and experience of using modern big data technologies to process different data types from multiple sources. At which level are you in right now? With statistical techniques, you apply statistical concepts and methodologies to data analysis. Okay, so unfortunately, especially for aspiring data scientists, there's no escaping math and statistics. Here, mathematical formulas are used in the analysis of raw research data. The application of these techniques extracts information from research data and provides different ways to assess the robustness of research outputs. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you know and use statistical methods such as sampling, ANOVA, hypothesis testing, descriptive statistics, regression analysis, and others. Level 2, you select and recommend appropriate statistical methods and tools for specific tasks and data. Level 3, you identify problems with collected data and suggest corrective measures, including additional data collection, inspection, and pre-processing. At which level are you in right now? With data analytics methods and algorithms, you implement and evaluate machine learning methods and algorithms on the data to derive insights for decision making. This is again the area of data scientists. With what they know of their data, they should now be able to identify the most appropriate methods or algorithm to really extract insights from data. This is moving towards real advanced analytics, as this competency starts where statistical technique ends. See level 3 of statistical techniques and note where methods and algorithms start at level 1. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, You demonstrate understanding and perform statistical hypothesis testing. You can explain statistical significance of collected data. Level 2, you apply quantitative techniques such as time series analysis, optimization, simulation, to deploy appropriate models for analysis and prediction. Level 3, you assess data on reliability and appropriateness. You select appropriate approaches and their impact on analysis and the quality of the results. At which level are you in right now? With computing, you apply information technology, computational thinking, and utilize programming languages and software and hardware solutions for data analysis. This is software programming. Data engineers and data scientists who have to develop these skills to perform their functions. You will learn several of these programming languages in Project Sparta. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you perform basic data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Level 2, you apply computational thinking to transform formal data models and process algorithms into program code. Level 3, you select appropriate application and statistical programming languages and development platforms for specific processes and datasets. At which level are you in right now? These are competencies that comprise the technical skills: research methods, data engineering principles, statistical techniques, data analytics methods and algorithms, computing. Exciting stuff, right? As you will see later, depending on the analytics role that you will build a career on, you would need only certain technical competencies to effectively perform your role.